How's it going, guys? My name's Jason Diehl.
And I'm Tommy Diehl.
And we've created Crypto Chaos Cards, a breakthrough security product to protect your cryptocurrency offline. So we've been talking about it a while now. The biggest weakness in cryptocurrency today, how do you shuffle your private keys? Those 12 to 24 mnemonic seed words you get from Trezor, Ledger, or any other blockchain wallet. And what we've done is actually create a way that you could shuffle your private keys.
Yeah, we feel it's Bitcoin's single point of failure, basically. And we've solved it with a deck of cards right here. And you could scramble your existing mnemonic seed words, which are basically your money, amongst a deck of cards with BIP39 decoy words. And you could have peace of mind knowing that when you're away from home, your funds are scrambled and your funds are completely safe.
So basically what you do, step one, you just pick it's 3 easy steps to actually shuffle your private keys. We've created the system for you, and now it's your time to create your own bluff.
Yeah.
So you
tell them the steps, Jason, yeah.
Pick a card, any card, and remember it. You choose your security pattern, and then you sort your deck. Step 2 is just you write your real keywords down with a permanent marker and add decoy words from the official BIP39 dictionary. And for enhanced security and more chaos, aces are wild. And step 3, you could shuffle your private keys, and that's what it's all about.
And the amazing part is the fast and easy reassembly of your words. You only remember one card, say it's 7 of diamonds, you could actually reassemble your entire seed phrase, and only you know that. So we feel like it's the best offline security tool out there for cryptocurrency.
Very cool. So where can we find more information about you guys? Do you have a website?
Yeah, you can go to cryptochaoscards.com, spelled just how it sounds. Check it out right here.
Is this product released yet, or is there a release date?
We're going to have a prototype at this show, and in a few weeks we actually have our production coming in. The cards are 100% waterproof, which is kind of cool because you could submerge all your cards, and including the tech box, in water, and you're totally secure. So yes, they're coming in. This is not something that's not in production. It's going to be ready in a few weeks.
And remember, it works with any blockchain wallet. Basically, if you get your private keys, then you could potentially shuffle them with our deck, and not only private mnemonic seed words, but also passphrases on some of the newer wallets.
With the current system, an intruder could break into your house. You could take a picture of your seed words in order. Days or weeks later, he could steal your funds unbeknownst to you. So that's a kind of a scary thing that we feel we have solved.
So this is the old way. You would write down your real keywords in order. This is from Trezor, Ledger, or any other blockchain wallet. This is the old way. So we're solving this because this is risky. If somebody found these, they have access to your money. So what we do is we have a custom deck of chaos cards. And so what you do is you basically pick any card out of a 52-card deck, a custom deck. So say you pick the 2 of clubs, which is this light blue sky color. So what you would do is you would use this security pattern that's unique to every card, and you would choose your security pattern. So the easiest one is to go straight across. If we were doing a 12 keyword combination of security, then we would only need 3 colors, you would basically lay out your deck. So this one would be light blue, light green, and then brown. So basically you get your cards. Here's a light blue. Got the brown here. So traditionally you're going to be doing this at a kitchen table, at your house or in your living room, and it's going to.
So sorting your deck is basically sorting your colors after you chose your color pattern. So it's very easy, it's very fun. So Jason's going with sky blue, and then he's going with purple. It looks like that's the second one on there. And then the third one, it looks like it's going to be...
and then the third one is lime green here.
So lime green is the second one. And then the third one is purple. So for a Trezor device, the new Trezor T, you would have 12 mnemonic words that they give you. And so he's sorting the deck to accommodate 12 real keywords, which is the access to your money.
All right, so once you have those, then you're going to use the number that's right here if you want, this is the easiest method. Remember, it's up to you. You can create your own bluff, but this is the easiest method. You use this number, and you write 1, 2, 3, 4. You also have...
We'll turn them this way so for the camera it might be a little easier to see.
Oh, I see.
1, 2, 3, and 4, okay?
And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm going to turn it towards him.
Let's do that for the camera. All right. And then you have that. And it would obviously be flipped if you wanted to do this.
Oh, because the blue.
Right.
Then.
Right, so once you have those,
So-
you're ready to put your real keywords in order, starting with the sky blue. So your first keyword in order from your Trezor device, as an example.
So now you would write protect on this card, invest on the second card, swap easy. Then you would go decide, arrogant, right, shuffle. And then you would have a random, word, gather, and wealth. So those would be your words. After that is complete, you would basically write down fake words on the rest of the cards.
From our website, we've got 2,048 BIP words on there from the official BIP 39 dictionary.
Once that's complete, all you need to do is you take these, maybe add a little bit here,
Shuffle it in.
shuffle your private keys. That's
And then
right.
when you need it, you just got to remember that one card.
That's right.
That's right. Which was, Jason? The 2?
The 2 of clubs.
So
So
you remember
that's
the 2 of
And then
clubs?
from that, you can rebuild your C key.
and from that you
and-
could rebuild your C key.
What's
Exactly.
also nice if people are worried about maybe the dog eating one card or losing a card, you could scramble them on the kitchen table, take a digital photograph of it, which would normally never be the case. You would normally never want to do that, but with our system you can because they're already scrambled when they're on the kitchen table. And only you could reassemble those words based on that 2 of clubs.
Very nice, very nice. Well, thank you. That's actually a very intuitive method, and I like the fact that you can mix a whole bunch of words to throw anybody off.
Right.
But you have one easy way to
Yeah.
remember it and rebuild it.
Exactly.
Right.
Very
Thank
cool.
you. Thank you.
Thank you for putting this out there for everybody to benefit from,
Hey, thank you.
to protect their private keys.
Thanks, guys.